Ah, what a nice day. Nothing's gonna be better than a nice hot cup of coffee. Oh, god damn it, Dig. Now that I got my coffee. Okay. Oh, god. Dig. Okay. I'll go to the store. Go. God damn Diglet. Get the fuck out of here. Man, it's nice out here today. I'm going for a ride. God, Dig, I swear to Christ, dude. You and your Diglet, get it out of here. Okay, let's get going. Really, Dig? Come on, man. Enough with this Diglet stuff. Time for some tunes. Serious, dude, come on, man. Done with this. Oh, man. It's been a good day. I'm gonna get me a drink. Get me a drinky. Let's see what I got. Guinness? No, I don't want a Guinness. I want a Corona. Dude, really? I'm about done with this Diglet stuff. Man, this has been a rough day, dude. It was nice today, but I've been dealing with Diglet stuff everywhere. God, Dig and his Diglets, man. Let's go to bed. I'm tired of this. God damn it, Dig. Fine, okay? I guess I'm a Diglet.
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here.